NocoDB versus Supabase. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which no-code platform is better, so make sure to like and subscribe. So, number one is their core functionality. NocoDB turns any SQL database into a smart, airtable-like interface. It's perfect for managing spreadsheets, workflows, and relational data visually. On the other hand, Supabase is a Firebase alternative, providing database, auth, and backend services out of the box. It's a low code rather than fully no code, which is appealing more to developers. Number two is their ease of use. NocoDB is beginner friendly. Its Excel style interface, drag and drop tables, and GUI first setup make it great for non-developers or project managers. While Supabase requires some coding knowledge, it offers tools like Postgres, real-time syncing, and edge functions, but you will need SQL and JS to use it fully. Number three is their features and flexibility. Supabase is more robust for building complex applications, offering REST APIs, authentication, and serverless functions. It's highly scalable, while NocoDB is ideal for internal tools, dashboards, and lightweight apps. It integrates with Zapier, Slack, and other platforms to automate your workflows. Number four is their community and support. Supabase has a large and active developer community with great documentation and GitHub support, while NoCodeDB Communities is growing fast and caters to no-code builders. Number 5 is their pricing. Both of them are open source and free to self-host, while Supabase offers scalable cloud pricing tiers, and NocoDB also has a hosted version with team collaboration features. So, for final verdict, for developers building full stack apps, Supabase is the best for you. But if you want a no code Excel like experience and to manage data visually, you can go for NocoDB. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.